Here's how to have ShipWorks automatically print a single scan packing slip or invoice. First, click on the Manage tab, and then click on Templates. ShipWorks offers both single scan invoices, which show the dollar amounts, and offers single scan packing slips, which do not show the dollar amounts. For this video, we'll use a packing slip. After selecting the single scan packing slip, click Edit. Then click Settings, then choose Printing, and select the printer you'd like the packing slip to print to from the list of your available printers. Click Save, and then click Close. Next, we'll configure an action that tells ShipWorks to print the packing slip when new orders arrive. Click on Manage, then click on Actions. Click the New Action button, and give the action a name like Print Single Scan Packing Slip. We'll leave when the following occurs and order is downloaded, but check the box only if the order was downloaded for the first time. Then, add a print task, and select the single scan packing slip from the drop-down. Now, when a new order arrives in ShipWorks, a single scan packing slip will automatically be printed. Click OK, verify that the action was created, and click Close. Now, you can scan a barcode on the packing slip, and the order will automatically be searched for and loaded in the ShipWorks software. Learn more at support.shipworks.com or at youtube.com/shipworks.